again, I can guarantee you that. So I'm just out now seeing I can catch something, seeing what pops up. It's about 12:55 right now. Nice day. You see I got the short sleeve shirts on. So yeah, man, I'm just out here trying to get this money, out here hustling, trying to see what I could come across. I wasn't out too long yesterday. I only did 2 orders yesterday. I should have had 3, but I declined one. In retrospect, I should have took it though. But anyway, it is what it is. So I'm just out here seeing what I can get today, seeing what goes down in this cargo van journey. Like I said, I haven't been at it for too long, but from what I gather right now, I definitely enjoy doing it. So yeah, man, follow me, man. This is the Rehab Center TV, man. Follow my YouTube, like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. If you want to watch me make deliveries from different gig apps such as Freight, Synpex, Dispatch, Curry, VHO, Airspace, Zifty. Yeah, man, I'm out here. I'm in the Atlanta metropolitan area. It's busy out here. We have a lot of traffic, but yeah, I'm out here trying to get it. So, man, I'm going to check it back in once I get an order that comes through. Hopefully it comes through sooner than later. All right, so I'm checking back in. I just got a hit. So I got a hit from the Dispatch app. I am picking up some cargo, and I'm going from Marietta, Georgia to Suwanee, Georgia. So I'm going about 40 miles for a payout of $61. I'm here kind of early. Say it won't be ready till 1:30, so it's about 11 after 1 right now. I'm still going to go in and see if it's ready, though, just in case. All right, so what up, y'all? I just received the hit. I am in front of the pickup spot. It says it won't be ready till 1:30. It is 1:14 right now. I'm still going to go see just in case. But I am taking some cargo from Marietta, Georgia to Suwanee, Georgia, which is about 40 miles with a payout of $61. Yeah, and this is through the Dispatch app. So I'm about to go in and see if they're ready for me. They're probably not. At least I can do is try, so I can leave out earlier. Probably gonna take me about 50 minutes to get where I'm going. But yeah, let's see. Let's see if it's ready. All right, just like that, man. I'm picked up. It took me probably like about 3 minutes to load this. Like three boxes. They got a little weight on them, but hey, nothing. I can't do it out the hand truck. So yeah, I'm on my way. It's gonna take me 41 minutes to get to my destination. It's gonna take me 41 minutes to get to my destination. I am going to Suwanee, Georgia. I will arrive at 2 p.m. It is 1:20 right now, so that's 33 miles. I'm going 33 miles for a payout of $61, and this is through the Dispatch app. So, man, I'm just out here trying to get it. Ride with me. I hope everyone's having a good day today. I hope all the drivers out there stay safe and get to that money. Shout out to all the YouTubers out there doing their thing, giving you content. And like I said, if you want to be a driver for Dispatch, download the Dispatch app and sign up to be a driver. And I am on my way, so I will see you when I get there. So I'm about 17 minutes away from the drop off. I am merging off of 285 to 85, going north. About 14 miles away. Hey, last night I was talking to my lady and she said, "So do you enjoy driving the van?" And I said, "Man, I love it. It's just the freedom, like the freedom. I ain't gotta answer to nobody. I can just go from pick off to drop off. I gotta answer to nobody. I'm my own boss. Man, you can't beat this. I'm telling you, you can't beat this. And I'm loving it doing it now. getting to that money, man. You touching that paper. So yeah, man. I'm definitely a fan of this right here. Like, I'm definitely a fan of this. This is really a lot of freedom when you're driving. So absolutely, I love this right here. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with y'all on just the conversation that we had last night. But yeah, I'm about 15 minutes away now. It said I was 14, but I'm in traffic. 85 north is traffic. Like, I am doing probably like about 15 miles per hour right now because traffic. There's always traffic on 85 north, especially from the interchange to 285 to 85. So I expected that, but I'm not too far away. I'm almost there, 13 miles away. So yeah, I'll highlight y'all when I arrive at the drop-off location. All right, I am pulling into the drop-off. I'm at the drop-off. I've never been here before, so I have no idea where to go to. I have no idea where to go to. Come around this way and see. He told me to ask for Sunny though. Let me look at these and see if any notes on here. Okay, I need to go to the warehouse. I need to ask for Sunny. Alright, I'm at the drop off. I'm looking for a Sunny. Hey, what's going on, boss man? I got a dispatch drop off. I was told to ask for Sunny.
For Sony?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Huh? Well, no, they just told me to ask for them drop off. This is like from Dirty Tools. I just need to know where to put it at.
Yeah. If you is it on pallet or?
No, I can do it on my hand truck. It's like 3 boxes. I can do it on my hand truck.
Oh yeah. If you want, just pull on the side. We'll get a pallet for you.
On the side over there? Okay, got you, bro. It's not light. It's definitely not light. Heavy right there. Oh yeah. Alright, cool. I just need to get a quick picture of it real quick. And what's your name, bro?
Jose.
Jose? Appreciate you, Jose, man. Have a good one, bro. Alright. Alright, what's good, y'all? I am on my way to Kennesaw, to ATD, American Tire Distribution, to pick up some tires. I'm going from Kennesaw, Georgia to Dallas, Georgia. Kennesaw, Georgia to Dallas, Georgia, and that is about, how many miles is that? Let's see. I'm going 14 miles. 14 miles for a payout of $18.75. So a little over $1 a mile. I took it because actually I'm on my way to Kennesaw, so I was like, yeah, let me grab that. So I'm en route. I'm a little ways from there because I am on 85 going south now, getting ready to merge on the 285. But freight doesn't put no time that you got to pick it up. They say as soon as possible, so that's what I'm getting there as soon as possible. So yeah, I'm en route to pick that up, y'all. I will see y'all when I get there. Alright, so I was on my way to that freight order that I spoke about earlier, but I just seen an email come across that they had canceled the order, so I will not be going to American Tire Distribution to pick up those tires to take to Dallas, Georgia. Right now I am still on 285. It is bumper to bumper out here, so I'll be headed. I'm gonna ride through Smyrna to see if I can pick up another dispatch order, because that's usually where I'm getting a lot of the dispatch orders, in the Smyrna, Marietta area. So I'm gonna ride up 41 on the way to the crib to see if I catch anything else before I head to the house. I got some things to do, so I'm gonna just see, can I catch one more? If I don't, oh well, it's all good, because I will be back out here tomorrow. After my meeting, I got a meeting with for another obligation I have, but I got a meeting for that, so I will be back out here tomorrow for a couple hours. Probably not gonna get out here Saturday, but I will be out Sunday. I'll probably catch a VHO route on Sunday and do that to get that money. I'm usually on Sundays. It's usually easy for me to catch a VHO route, so I'm probably gonna do that. Catch something for about $130 on VHO. But right now, again, like I am on 285, and I'm about to merge on the 75 North. So yeah, man, I'm gonna see can I catch something else from dispatch. If not, I'm gonna head to the crib. I gotta go to Academy Sports and pick up some wide receiver gloves for my grandson, because he has football practice tomorrow, and the ones that we got the other day were too small for him, and they're usually too big, so he's growing. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. But like I said before that, I'm gonna see, can I catch something else before I go on that side. Like I said, hope everyone had a prosperous day. Hope everybody was out here getting money like I was. And until then, I'm gonna holler back, and hopefully I catch another one. If I catch another one, I'll check back in with you. So all the apps that I be using, I gotta say, and the apps that I use so far are Freight, Dispatch, SendPets, VHO, Deliver That, and Curry. My top app right now that's in the league, the top app for me is Dispatch. Dispatch has been paying. They have been paying like they weigh. Straight talk. They have been paying. Freight comes across all the time too. I mess with Freight, but Freight doesn't pay like Dispatch pays. They don't. So, yes, my top app right now is Dispatch. Dispatch be jumping, and I'm in the Atlanta area. Dispatch definitely be ringing off. Now Freight be coming across too, but like I said, their pay is not as much as Dispatch. At least for what I'm seeing, the pickups that I'm getting. But yeah, Dispatch has definitely been paying. I will say that. The catering apps that I've been using. The catering apps that I've been using is Zifty. Zifty, I'm gonna keep it real. Zifty don't really pay either, because Zifty is really based on tips. Like the biggest delivery I didn't have for Zifty, which is the catering app, is I think it was like $60, $60 to $80, $60 or $80, one of the two. And I only took it 3 miles, but I got paid because the business that I was taking to, they put a big tip into the delivery. Other than that, you can find Zifty. They're gonna hit you at $17, every $20 here. The most you might get is $28. But yeah, Delivered That I haven't really delivered for them. Because what I found with Delivered That, man, them things come across so fast and go so quick. You got to be Speedy Gonzalez to get one of those. But yes, Dispatch is definitely that top app for me right now. Now that may change. But right now, Dispatch is numero uno. Yes, it is. So, they can continue to keep giving me those big orders, those pay orders, the whole freight steps they game up. But right now, it's definitely Dispatch. So yeah, man, I just wanna throw that out there. So all those drivers, you know what I'm saying, make sure you sign up for the Dispatch app. I was on the waiting list for them for a little minute, but once I got off the waiting list, once I got my cargo van, I definitely am liking Dispatch. Like I said, that could change. I've seen other YouTubers talk about their top apps, and they definitely change. But right now, for me, it's Dispatch, and then Freight. Synpass, it comes around every blue moon. So yeah, Dispatch right now is that top one. All right, just want to get that out there, throw that out there. So yeah, Rehabs in the TV, I'm out.